In this video we'll show you how to assemble our Flying Arch Canopy Bed. The posts are identified in the following sequence. The upper rectangular piece of the canopy is also identified in the same way. You'll find the marking indicators on the inside corner. The corner posts and the bottom of the arch pieces are also identified in the same way. Attach the appropriate arch piece to the upper rectangular piece as shown, all four corners, and then use the finials to thread into the arch pieces. Just bring them down snug, but don't tighten them completely yet at this time. Set the entire unit on the floor and use a tape measure as a straight edge to align the top and bottom of the arches with the opposite corner. Once everything is straight, tighten down the finials to keep the arch pieces in their proper place. Do the same with the opposite corner. Once everything is aligned and tightened, pick the whole unit up and gently set it on the bed. Start the bottom of the arch pieces into the tops of the corner posts and gently tap them in as shown. Don't drive any one of them down all the way. They should all be taken down evenly, a little bit at a time. You may need to use a rubber hammer and a towel as shown to take them down completely, but again, don't take any one of them down completely all at once. Once they're down close, you can seat them into place as shown. Now you're all set to enjoy your new bed. Thank you.